स्वागत किया है मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल से। और बात करेंगे आप लोगों के साथ आज HCL टेक्नोलॉजीज के बारे में। HCL टेक्नोलॉजीज Q3 रिजल्ट कॉन्स PAT फॉल्स 11% YoY to raise 4,076 crore revenue raised 13% raised 12 per share dividend declared. HCL Technologies Q3 result PAT falls 11% YoY to dash 4,076 crore dash 12 per share dividend declared. HCL Tech Q3 result HCL Technologies on Monday reported an 11% YoY fall in its December quarter. Consolidated net profit at raised 4,076 crore compared to raised 4,591 crore reported in the year ago period. The profit after tax paid is attributable to the owners of the companies. HCL Technologies on Monday reported an 11% YoY fall in its December quarter. Consolidated net profit at raised 4,076 crore compared to raised 4,591 crore reported in the year ago and period. The profit after tax paid is attributable to the owner of the company. The revenue from operation in the Q3 financial year 2026 stood at the rest 33,872, up 13% over rest 29,890 crore reported in the corresponding period of the last financial year. The company announced an interim dividend of $12 per equity shares of the financial year 2025-6. The record date for the payment of the dividend has been fixed on January 16, 2026 and the payment will be made on January 27, 2026. The net profit was down nearly 4% quarter-on-quarter compared to rest 4,235, while the top line was up 6% sequentially versus rest 31,942 reported in Q3 financial year 2026. HCL, which is the India's third largest IT service company by market capitalization, reported a constant currency revenue growth of 4.2% and QoQ and 4.8% YoY. Meanwhile, the dollar revenue stood at $3,793 million, up to 4.1% QoQ and up 7.4% YoY. Financial year 2026 guidance. The company has guided for a revenue growth between of 4% minus 4.4 by 5% YoY in CCE in financial year 2026, with service revenue growth expected to be between 4.75% 5.25% YoY in CC. The earnings before interest and tax EBIT margin is the same between 17% and 18%.